Hello and welcome! This is just a quick little video to demonstrate the difference between the red and the brown switches on the newly released Logitech G915 X. So here we start off with the linear or red switches. And next we have the tactile or brown switches. And now I'll quickly switch between the two and I'll increase the audio levels just a bit so you can really hear the difference. If you like this video, you know what to do. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a full review on this beautiful piece of technology.